Today I'm out here working on my 1980 js440. It's an old school stand-up jet ski. I bought it from one of the guys that that works at the electrical store I go to, and it had been sitting in his shed at his house for about 21 years or so. 98 was the last time it was registered to be on the water, but I think it'll clean up real nice. I just want to get it cleaned up, get all the mouse droppings and nest out of it. I don't know if it'll run or anything. I got another motor, or I got another jet ski that I was thinking of using this hull, depending on how nicely it cleans up, because this one's a little nicer looking than the one I have. It is a little dirty right now, so I'm going to clean it up and we'll see how it looks. This is my new dog, Bear. See if he can help me out a little bit. I can't imagine this 20-year-old battery is much good. So I got a lot of the nest sucked up in here. It was pretty bad. I mean, there's still a lot of shit in there. That's what I'm gonna try to clean up next. But it was all packed in there. Exactly what you'd expect a 20-year-old mouse nest to look like. So I think it's also in with the pump. I'll flip it over here in a minute and check that out. Oh yeah, look at that. All packed in.
Hey, Sniffy.
Alright, I'm gonna see if I can get it out with a vacuum and my screwdriver. That way I don't have to take it all apart. But might have to take this part here apart to get it all straightened out. I got it good enough for me. I don't plan on starting it just yet, so I might still take it apart later, but at least it's clean for now, and I can start actually cleaning it, like, with water. Realistically, I'll probably end up just pulling the motor out, but I got some super clean. I just want to clean it just because I hate touching it when it's covered in a bunch of mouse poop. I mean, it is caked on there. I started spraying some of this on, and you can see it just wash away. Like, that pipe was orange and now it is white. So we're gonna probably coat this a couple times and super clean and rinse it out with a hose, and hopefully it'll clean up a little bit. Then I'm going to do the outside. I'm going to use car wash on the outside though. Make sure I get plenty of it in there. let it soak. Well, it's definitely still a little more dinged up than I thought it was, but it looks quite a bit better. Doesn't look quite as brown now, opposed to this side over here. I don't know how well the camera picks it up, but this side is filthy. So I'm gonna lay it on its side here and hopefully blast out some of the stuff that's on the inside here. Maybe fill it. I'm gonna maybe blast it first, standing upright like this, and then flip it over. We'll see. I don't know what proper procedure is for washing the inside of one of these out, but this is how I'm doing it. It's a lot better already. I still got a long ways to go, but it's actually white on the bottom. You can see the white. Obviously you can see it's still brown in a lot of places, but then there's this thing here. But I'm gonna spray it down again, let it soak again, and then because well, that could be just part of the way it was built, but that's definitely not. That's gross. Well, we're gonna spray it down again, wash it again, and maybe I can get something to pump it with, because it's kind of sucks to tip it over like that. Or maybe I'll vacuum it out, fill it and vacuum it out or something. So I got the vacuum sucking some water out of it. It's starting to get a little cleaner in there, little by little. I'm still gonna rinse it one more time, and the spray was super clean, and rinse it one more time, suck all the water out of it, and then we'll see what we got. Like I think I still gotta pull the motor, but doing all this will make it a lot nicer to pull the motor out, because it would suck to have to work with all that shit in there. But the outside of it is looking pretty good now. I still got to do the hood, but once it's all cleaned up and the hood's on there, it'll be looking pretty nice. Get the inside all cleaned out to where I'm happy. Still need to vacuum some of this water out. I'm waiting for it to settle a little bit, because I keep running the vacuum and leaving it, and more shows up. So I'm gonna let it all drain back to the middle, run the vacuum on it, suck it all up. But you can see it's actually white on the inside of it versus mouse poop and all that other stuff. But the only reason I did that without taking the motor out was to make it less disgusting to take the motor out, because ultimately that's probably what I'm gonna have to do, is take the motor out of it and make sure it all works. Like I said, I got another one I want to use as well this summer, so just checking the throttle cable here, making sure that works. Surprisingly it does. Maybe I'll throw some WD-40 on it or something. I just sprayed the gas tank and the hood down with some super clean, so I'm gonna give it a little bit of agitation with the brush, and then hopefully it clean up real nice. So Get it all cleaned up now. It's in a little rougher shape than I was thinking it was, but it's not too bad. My tire fell off the dolly. That's another whole thing. I gotta get some tires to fix a dolly, but it came out okay. I thought about hooking a battery up to it to try to start it, but I don't think I'm gonna do that today. I don't quite feel like it. I'm hoping carb rebuild and it'll start right up, but what do you think, Bear?
Are you gonna ride the jet ski? Sniff sniffing. Bear, show me cool tricks.
Ready? I'd say that's it for this one. Thanks for watching.